Welcome to Moonshine, your one-stop destination for learning web development. In this video we are going to learn about division tag. Let's learn it within simple analogy. In trains, we have different compartments. There is clear separation between compartments. Yet all together, these compartments make our favorite train. Very similar to that, division tag in HTML is to create logical separation between HTML elements. These divisions combinedly form a HTML document. That is called as web page. Let's start coding. Division tag syntax looks like this. In this example, we have 3 division tags. Now let's check the output of this code in web browser. Wow! Can you see 3 divisions adjacent to each other? It looks like 3 compartments chained together in a train, right? If you love to see more videos like this, please subscribe our channel and share it with your friends and circle. Please help us reach 500 subscribers. Thanks for watching.